how to trade wide CPR. This is a very important topic for day trading, especially in intraday trading. Wide CPR in Nifty and Bank Nifty is common. Okay, I am telling you the central pivot range trading strategies in Bank Nifty, the particularly in the downtrend. Okay, for uptrend I have already published a video. If you have not watched, click I link in the above, so you will find the how to trade wide CPR in uptrend. This video is for downtrend. See, the condition for wide CPR is this is TC, okay, top CPR, and this is a bottom CPR, and this is a pivot. The difference between this TC and BC should be more than 200 point, more than 200 point. So it will be considered as wide CPR. If it is 250, then it is very good. Okay, so 200 and above or 250, it's excellent. So this is a wide CPR. So current day, previous day should be a trending day. Condition 1, previous day should be a trending day. Okay, so trending may be bearish, and the close, okay, close of previous day. Okay, 1 minute, this is a previous day, and close should be near day's low. Let us say market is trending and close is near day's low. Okay, so PDL is here and close is also here. So what does it mean? It was trending and close was here. Let us say today's CPR is formed here, okay, wide CPR, and present day opening should be below the CPR or below and CPR and in between S1. So current day, if current day CPR is wide and this is S1, so opening should be somewhere here. Okay, maybe we can't say exactly somewhere, but somewhere here it is okay. So opening for present day, and you need to observe once open, you need to observe, as yesterday was trending day, some profit booking may seen. Okay, some profit booking. So morning time for 15 to 20 minutes you watch, in fact up to half an hour you watch. Okay, the profit booking will happen, and after profit booking somewhere it CPR or somewhere from here it will make a double top pattern or bearish engulfing candle or any bearish signal it gives at 9:45 to 9:60 or 9:55 AM. Okay, so after half an hour market start at 9:15. So 9:15 to 9:45, if you are a professional trader you can trade it. If you are a beginner, wait it. Okay, if you are a beginner, don't trade. So after 9:45, if you found a bearish signal, then entry in the bearish candle and stop loss should be above the entry candle. Okay, above the entry candle, and here, so 200 to 300 point rally you will get. There will be a volatile move, and it is a very good move for option buying, very good move for option buying. So I will show you on the back testing on the Bank Nifty chart. Here condition is, see, previous day, this is a wide CPR. Okay, this is a wide CPR. Previous day, that was a trending market, and close was near previous day low. This is a PDL, and this is a PDL, and high. So close was here, previous day close. Then next day morning, first 5 minutes, it has given red candle. What is our rule? Wait for half an hour. Okay, wait for half an hour. I will just zoom in so that you will know. This is a 5 minutes time frame, so you should know exact time frame. Okay, so up to 9:45, up to this candle you waited. Okay, so once this low is broken, so with the bearish candle, so you entered here, and stop loss is above entry candle. Here you will get easily more than 200 to 300 point. Okay, so easily you check it here, 7,900 to 37,400. Okay, so here almost 500 points rally you are getting. So 300 to 400, if you are able to successfully book profit, that is sufficient. We consider this move, this is sufficient for your profit booking. And in fact, this is also a no confusion move, volatile move. It is very good for option buying. Okay, so this back testing I will do, many back testing I will do. This is in case of bank nifty, it's in 7 September 2021. Okay, so that chart also we have opened previous day condition, it is a trending day, and close is near previous day low. Okay, and opening is below this. Actually this is gap down opening, and current day is a wide CPR. And on this wide CPR day, wait up to first half an hour. After it has given a bearish signal, so here entry, stop loss above, and see profit booking. So this is a reward. Okay, so this way, without confusion, a very good move for the option buying. So this way you can trade wide CPR. This is one more condition where the previous day was trending, but initially it was something consolidation. Okay, anyway, the close was near previous day low, and next day opening was below this CPR, and we waited for first half an hour. Okay, and after half an hour, almost, if you see half an hour. Okay, so after half an hour, once it has given 180 reversal pattern, we enter for the short and see the very good move. Okay, and this is volatile move, not only a short, slow move, it is a volatile move, and very good price appreciation you will get. Almost, if you are getting 300 to 400 point in the bank nifty, so in options you will get 200 points. Okay, so in that 200 point, if you are successfully able to get 100 point also, then also you are a successful trader. Here one more example we will see. On this day, this previous day was trending, and close was near previous day low. Okay, so this close was there. After opening this, we waited for half an hour, and after half an hour, once it has given a bearish candle. So this is by the way, it's in 2021. Okay, October 5th. So after half an hour, we entered for the short. Okay, see, a very good move, and for the day this was the only tradable move. Otherwise this is all choppy. Okay, so this move you can capture. One more condition here, see, we have many charts for back testing. If you join our profitable trading strategies with psychology webinar on Sunday from morning 10 to 3 p.m, so then we will send all the charts for back testing. Actually on this trading view platform, you will not get all the charts, where the market completes its total cycle. So we send you after completion of your webinar, we send you that all the charts. Here say the market is in trending and close was near previous day low. In the trading view, if we have indicator of trading direction, we have this already mentioned, the previous day low, previous day close, and CPR, previous day high, R1. If tomorrow, let us consider, if opening is somewhere here, if opening directly gap up, then don't worry, this pattern will not be applicable. Okay, if too much gap down, then also it will not applicable. So opening is here, and morning time it may give bullish or it may give bearish also, but after half an hour if you find any a bearish signal, so enter for the short. And sometime market may go like this, or it may take support, resistance from TC, or sometime R1 also. So depending upon these swings, okay, so this base is also act as a very important level. So this base, okay, this level, so it may take resistance. Once it has taken resistance, you will find volatile move, and 300 to 400 point rally you can get. Okay, so if you like these videos, please share and subscribe to the trading direction, and motivate to each other, so that we will spread very good wonderful knowledge to the our retail trading community. Thank you. See you in the next video.